Nyamira nigo bono ira Konyora Abakoreri oboya bwa Public Service Board gwika OMOGABANA motienyo yoiga mugabara we county ya Nyamira mosi NYARIBO nigara lyaya chingaki OROBOTI kurase kiombe gya etwemeremo yokoringolia bari baganeti emeremo yo kiombe kyoge kuragwa amo na Edwin Makori bunakwerera asobwagari
rero iga mbwate election committee na appointed imeti nyibere yaerire koligeri asichi application chia bantu batete koba chairman board member ne secretary ya Public Service Board bangira abantu batatu asobo chairman wa Public Service Board abu lichikorigo ante binchoro yomo and bangira abantu sita as members of Public Service Board na lichikorigo ante binchoro batano bangire abantu babere for the position of secretary and lichikorigo ante binchoro yomo yonko ba grambi yamon asega siba korre nkongo ekiara ba applicant na banga ba renge na endanga bosi bare qualified igoto wapa intito get regional balance kia qualification of course in bank range on interview you bare qualified to get regional balance and other special skills so we appoint. Your members have appointed in Kobakiram Biamono as a Gazian Kongumu according, and I trust in you. Your Ninko Regazi, a recommendation in Muangade, Nanjanko appointment, the Mewich County Assembly for approval. Biamono.
The selection panel was able to shortlist 7 members for the position of chair and 35 for the position of member and 7 for the position of secretary that were to be interviewed and be considered for appointment. And Your Excellency, in line with the requirements of the County Governments Act, Section 58A, we submit to you 3 names for the position of chair, 6 names for the position of member, and 2 names for the position of secretary. And from now, in accordance with the law, is you to be able to consider the names that we've been able to provide, that you can actually be able to select one from among those that we've given for chairperson to be appointed as a chair of the County Public Service Board, 5 of the members to the members of the County Public Service Board, and 1 to be the county